The team over at A Young Life sent over these glass flip-top bottles. I think these are a way to make someone a great gift because you have the 9-ounce bottle, which is a good amount of liquid or powder, whatever you're putting in it. And then all you need to do is seal it with that stopper. You push it down, nice tight seal. I really like that these bottles were all individually packaged in the box along with bubble wrap around them. But in addition to the bottles, you're also going to get a bottle brush form to clean them out. They've also included chalkboard stickers so you can label these as gifts for whatever you're putting into them. The funnel, it's a collapsible silicone funnel, so this is going to come in handy for the bottles. It's also going to come in handy for my spice jars at home and other things. If you're the type that likes making gifts for someone, whether it be liquid or maybe powdered and dried ingredients, maybe dried spices and herbs to make a vinaigrette that you could put in here, and then they just have to supply the oil and vinegar for it. Maybe you like making homemade coffee creamers and you want to use it for that, powdered or liquid. I think these are a great product to try, and I hope it helps you decide on if this is a good product for you.